Hi everyone and welcome to Titan's PowrLiner, adjusting the front wheel to drive straight video. Please note that while this video shows maintenance to the PowrLiner 3500, this also applies to our other line striper models as well. This video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. First, check the alignment using a straight reference line. Align the front wheel of the machine and push the sprayer forward. Note any deviation left or right. Elevate the front wheel and locate the two bolts on the bottom side of the front wheel caster. Loosen the bolts with a wrench while the caster is locked and rotate the front wheel bracket to counter either left or right deviation. Tighten the bolts down and recheck alignment. Repeat the steps until you are satisfied that the PowrLiner is tracking straight. Thanks for watching Titan's PowrLiner adjusting the front wheel to drive straight video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.